Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bose Wave radio and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your radio is not connecting to Bluetooth, or it's not syncing or pairing with your device, or if you're having any issues where it's not making sound, it's not working right, it's not responding, etc., a hard reset can very often fix this. You will need to set it up again because it will be restored to the way it was when it came out of the box. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to, for whatever reason, if you're selling it, if you're buying a used one, or whatever reason where you just want to get a fresh start, like you just took it out of the box, we can restore the factory defaults quite easily. We're going to do this actually on the controller. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the controller, and we're going to hit the bottom, down at the bottom right, we're going to hit the menu button. And after we're actually going to press and hold it. And if we press and hold it, then the setup menu will display. And once the setup menu displays, we can use these arrows over here. We're going to hit the right arrow. We're going to hit it 9 times. If we tap it 9 times, you'll see that on the screen of the radio, it will say reset all -no. And then we're going to, once that shows up on the screen, then we can go ahead and hit the thumbs up, and that'll pop it up to reset all -yes. And then it's going to say, please press 2 to confirm, at which point we'll hit the 2, and it will wipe everything off of the radio. And then when it's done, then we can just go and hit the menu button to exit out of the reset menu, and everything will be restored to its factory settings.